In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make transfer calls inside of Retell, and I'll also show you exactly how to create tasks inside of the CRM if those transfer call fails. So we are going to use as the CRM Go High Level, Make for the connection, and Retell for the AI voice agent. Obviously, that's why you clicked on this video. And in the description, I will give you a Word document and other documents. It will be a link, and through that link, you can basically download this workflow right here and import it inside of Make, and also all the function JSON, like all the JSON inside of the functions. I'll copy paste that in the Word document, and also this prompt right here. So yeah, this video will be relatively raw, so no editing. I'll just show you how I do it, and you just can follow along based on the Word document I will give you in the description. So first things first, inside of Retell, you will need to buy a phone number and link it to the assistant. I won't show it because it's private, but I imagine that if you clicked on this video, you already know how to do it. So when you create a assistant, you'll copy paste this right here, and after that we're going to create some functions. So the first function obviously is the transfer call. I've named it transfer call, transfer the call to a human agent, and then I linked a spam phone number right here and selected cold transfer, but you can also do warm transfers if you want the AI to summarize what the meeting was about, or the first name of the customer and certain variables. And then you click save. After that, end call, not necessary, but you add that through here, end call. And then for the task creation, actually the most important part of this video, because making transfer calls or adding the transfer call function is really easy, but creating tasks is a little bit more difficult. So for that, we are going to create a custom function. So I'll open up this. So when you create a custom function, put the name as create task, description as it will create a task in the CRM when the transfer failed, and you leave the URL empty for now. And then you add this JSON parameter right here. It can literally be anything you want. In this case, customer name, although I don't ask the first name inside of the prompt. But it's just mandatory to put a functional JSON inside of the function. Okay, so after that, you're going to import this workflow inside of Make. You do that by clicking create a new scenario, and then importing the blueprints through here. So you choose the file I've shared in the description below, and then you'll end up with this. And then with the webhook, you click on the webhook, you copy the address to clipboard, and then copy paste the URL right here and click on save. And now everything inside of Retell is done. Okay, and next we'll move on to Make and Go High Level. So in Make, when you load up this workflow, you want to add the subaccount. So you click on Add, collection type OAuth 2.0, and you name it after the subaccount, and then click Save, and a window will pop up where you can select the subaccount. I won't do that because there is a lot of customer information right there, but I think you'll be fine. Okay, so after you've done that, you will add one right here. So you select the connection you just created, and after that, we only have 2 HTTP modules. So these are actually the same HTTP modules, and for that, or to make this work, we need this code, basically the user code to the person that will receive the task, and also the bearer or the API key to connect Go High Level with Make. So right now we're going to get the API key. So you will go to settings, then to private integrations, and I've created too many private integrations, So I will delete this one, and you will click on create new integration. Enter the name. So in this case, create task YouTube. Next, you click on scopes, and you will add view tasks, edit task location, view contacts, and also edit contacts. And then you click on create, and then you'll copy this exact API key. You copy it. You will go back to the make scenario, and you copy paste this, and make sure to leave bearer plus a space in between the API key. So you copy paste it right here, and also down here, right here. Okay, and after that, you'll grab the assigned user ID. So if you go out of here, you will go to my staff. I won't do that because probably my phone number and private phone number and email address will be there, but you'll copy the ID that will be under your user essentially, or the user you want the transfer or the task to go to. Okay, so after you've done that, the only thing left is to click save, exit out of here. You'll end up with this, or actually you need to click on run once, and then call the number that you have assigned to the agents in Retell. So we'll go back to Retell, and I'll call the agent right now. Hey, can you transfer the call?
Sure. I'll transfer your call to a staff member right now. Please hold on for a moment. The staff member is currently busy, so I've created a task for them to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, bye-bye. So it was really easy. Right here you can see it has searched the contacts, and then it saw that I was already in contact inside of the CRM, and then it created a task inside of the CRM. And the response is the task has been created. So then, to obviously check if it worked, we'll go to tasks right here. And then you will see that the task has been created. And obviously associated contacts and assignee are both me. Obviously, in the HTTP module, you can change the title and the body to whatever you want, and assign it to whatever person you want it to. So this was the video on how to transfer calls and create tasks inside of the CRM, in this case Go High Level. Obviously this can also be done inside of any CRM that has a tasks function. So I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down below, and I respond to every single one, so don't be shy. Okay, bye bye.